Onto the Lee factory crimp die. This is a die. They do not come with the 3 die sets, they only come with the 4 die sets, but you can buy it separately. This die is an amazing die for me. I love this thing. Not only does it crimp, it sizes your case again. So it post sizes your case again. You'll notice it's got a carbide ring in the bottom. It's got a crimp sleeve inside and an adjustment. To set this die up, turn the locking to the top. Adjustment knob up. Now you're going to turn it the normal way till it makes firm contact. On a single stage press and on a turret type press, you need to turn this die till it touches and then a quarter more. Okay. Lock the locking. The quarter more is the same as the sizing die. It's to make sure that the case is sized as far as possible. Just a side note, if you set this die up on a Loadmaster with a 5 die setup, do not turn it in a quarter more. Okay? Check out our Loadmaster setup guide and I'll explain in there why. Okay. But for now, we're going to set it up with a quarter more because we have no other die set here. Now we're going to take that bullet that we seated previously. We're going to cycle it to that station and go up. Now you will feel a bit of resistance there when you go up. That's sizing again. Okay. Now turn the knob, the adjustment knob here, till you can feel it touching the case mouth. Take the bullet out, take your hand down. At that setting, it will not crimp. Okay. That's how I prefer to set it for my bullet core bullets. I don't want any crimp on those bullets. There's reasons for that. But if you want to set crimp now, you turn the adjustment knob in. A quarter is enough for a CMJ bullet. So you turn that knob in and that will set crimp. Now you have a bullet that has been seated and crimped. So factory crimp die, turn it till it touches, quarter more, set the crimp as we discussed now. That is a 4 die setup of your Lee pistol reloading dice. I hope you learned something. If you have any questions, pop a comment, send us an email, check us out on Facebook. Thanks for watching. I hope you learned something. Thanks.